In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find cheap houses to wholesale in minutes using Redfin.com. This is a fantastic technique for anyone in the real estate wholesaling business or even those just starting out. We'll go step by step through the process to ensure you're confident and ready to apply this method in no time. First, let's start by navigating to the Redfin website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in redfin.com in the address bar. Redfin is a comprehensive real estate platform that provides a user-friendly interface, making it easy to search for properties based on multiple criteria. Once you're on the main page, let's choose a city to focus on. For this example, we'll select San Francisco. You can do this by typing San Francisco into the search bar at the top of the page, which will bring up real estate options for this area. Click on the city name in the drop-down that appears to display the listings available. Now that we're viewing the listings for San Francisco, we need to refine our search. To do this, look for the Filters button located near the top of the screen and click on it. Filters allow us to narrow down our search to find exactly what we're looking for, saving time and effort. In the Filters section, scroll through to locate Home Features. This is where we'll focus on finding properties that are most suitable for wholesaling. Under the Home Features, find the option marked Fixer Upper and check this box. Checking this box ensures that we're looking at properties that could potentially be purchased at a lower price and then sold at a profit after some improvements. After selecting the Fixer Upper option, click on the See Homes button. This will apply the filter and show all the eligible properties matching our criteria. This step is particularly crucial as it updates the listings to include only those homes in need of renovation, which are often priced lower than more polished houses. Now that we have a list of properties, we want to sort them to pinpoint the ones that offer the best deals. To do this, look for the Recommended drop-down menu and click on it. Here, select List Price Ask from the options provided. This sorts the listings from lowest to highest price, allowing you to quickly identify the most affordable options, perfect for wholesaling opportunities. Lastly, to further refine your selection, you can sort by the size of the property using the SQ/FT option in the sorting menu. This way, you can ensure you're not only getting a property within budget, but also managing the potential resale value based on square footage. And that's it. You've now learned how to efficiently find cheap houses to wholesale using Redfin.com. With practice, you'll be able to refine and apply these steps to different cities, maximizing your real estate investment potential. Happy house hunting!